What's up, y'all? So now we're on day 11. I woke up this morning, I showered, I had some supplements, and I had a nice talk with my business mentor, Melissa. So if you guys don't know Melissa, she was the one that was in the video last night on the floor, the dance floor. Yeah. So I had a nice talk with her. I'm gonna be teaching an 8-week intensive while I'm here through her dance company. So we're just talking about like strategy plan, and this is the week for execution. So kind of like getting our head in the game. I have to shoot more B-roll footage. I'm still learning like this whole vlog storytelling thing. So I hope you guys see improvements throughout each day, and we'll be interested for feedback as well. So yeah, I just shot a video actually promoting the intensive, like talking about it. So I'm gonna go head over to the workspace now and kind of edit it so I can post it up and start getting some engagement on social media. Nice. So this is like an in-depth look at my workspace. You see my mask. Corona's not gonna get us out here, you know? Yes, I'm gonna go bust down this edit, and I'll see you guys later. So what's up, guys? I just finished sending out some emails. So now I gotta make some videos. So a part of my marketing strategy for the intensive is that I'm gonna be making 3 videos, one each day, old school, middle school, and new school, just as a way to promote the intensive. So right now, you know, as you can see, I'm in the studio as always. I got my setup over there. Yeah, I got my little action camera as well. So we about to do this, guys. Yeah, so just finished recording that. Now I'm about to go straight to the edit and post, get some lunch, and calm down the day a bit. Let's go, guys. So I just finished editing and I posted my video, so I can finally have some food. I'm gonna show you guys my action planning board because I've actually never showed you yet. So this, guys, is my action planning board. Yeah, I'm on Unruly. So this is me. You know, you have to stop thinking about what you love as a hobby and figure out how to monetize off of it, because, you know, you got to pay the bills. So now we are going to walk to the kitchen because I am hungry. So we're going to get some lunch, guys. So I'm having rice, banana, and maple syrup. I know, what the hell? But yeah, I've tried it before and it actually tastes really good. So this is what we're having tonight, guys. So guys, lunch is finished. I was actually supposed to go on a run with Melissa, but it is raining like crazy outside. Yeah, I ain't going out there. So I'm actually gonna jump on a video call with my vlog editor, Andy. We're gonna actually edit our first vlog right now. Nice. Oh, meeting was perfect. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited for this first vlog. And I'm actually learning more and more how to shoot B-roll. Today was a good day for B-roll. So definitely the second, well, this would be day 11. Yeah, day 11's vlog will look a lot different than day 10's vlog. But I hope you like it. Now We're gonna go dance with Melissa for a while.
We're working non-stop.
So, we're in the studio now. And guys, look at Melissa.
Really?
I can't even show you. I can't even show you. I can't even show you right now. Guys, she's like stressed out from work. She has all this shit she has to do. She hasn't slept in like 15 days. So right now we're gonna practice some immortal steps and kind of like get our mind off things. So we'll see how it goes. So, dance workout complete. And Melissa again is on the floor.
On the floor!
How do you feel today?
I feel awesome. I'm really tired, but it was awesome, fantastic, amazing. The moves were fun, beautiful energy today, crazy. And yeah, apparently this is my thing. I'm going to take on the floor selfies. So if you see me after class taking a selfie on the floor, it means that this gentleman did a good job.
And people, that is at French Gazelle.
Oh, you know,
that's at French Gazelle. Yes, at French Gazelle. About to get some food.
He's so cute.
So, guys, guess what? I told you I was gonna get dinner. I lied. So because I was editing that video all day with Andy, my schedule got totally messed up. So I started editing, whatever, and then I had to go dance with Melissa. So while I'm dancing with Melissa, I didn't realize that I was like an hour late within my schedule. So by the time we started dancing and I looked at my time, I was like, whoa, I have a meeting with my teammates in 30 minutes. So I had to tell my teammates, let's start 30 minutes late. So I can't even have dinner right now. So now I'm about to hop on this call with my teammates. Oh crap. So guys, before we go on this call, I have to show you something because Melissa is in the studio and she is totally losing her mind. Listen to her, listen to her.
I had a dream about you last night. Your eyes shine so bright. Those lips got a sweet smile. I need this forever, beautiful dream. Yeah.
Guys, this is what happens when quarantine lasts too long. Please live above the influence. So guys, Melissa decided to be this wonderful human and bring me dinner while I was having a meeting with the guys. Take a look at this, bro. Hashtag vegan transition. So guys, I'm currently on the call with the team and I just have the funniest picture / mood to show you guys. Look at this. Hashtag mood. So guys, I just finished this meeting. It is now 2:45 in the morning. I have to meet these guys again in the morning at 9:30. So I'm gonna head to bed now. Yeah, it's that time. Whoa! If you liked the video that you just watched and would like to see more content like this, then hit the red button and subscribe to my channel. Also, be sure to check me out at www.tafariburke.com and be sure to follow me on my other social media platforms.